Sailor Pluto, Sailor Underworld here, and Sailor Saturn, Sailor Ringworld here. And today we're going to talk about, what are we going to talk about? Oh, the coughing we do in our films, and some of the beliefs behind that. Now everyone's going to have everyone's going to have his or her beliefs over it and see it happen again. And everyone's going to have their beliefs over why this happens, Now, the first thing someone might think, oh, it's dust. That's what they think. There's got to be dust. And if that was true, we'd be doing it all the time, not only when we make our films. Someone out there might think that we're ill. Well, rest known that we're not ill. Someone else out there might believe that, because when you're making a film, you do a lot of talking and your body can't deal with it. Well, I think we do a lot of talking on and off, when we're making our films, when we're not making our films. So, why it only seems to happen when we make films, I don't know. Someone else came out to believe that it's stage fright, or what? What would that be? Riser fright? Like you're frightened of doing things in front of folks. I mean, yes, there are folks out there who are shy or frightened to do something in lead of folks. That's true, but that's not us. If we had that fear, which we do not, then Dwayne wouldn't be making any of his films then. If he had that fear or not. Which he does not. Now there might be someone out there who thinks that, you shouldn't put this in your films. Yeah. You want to say some things? Yeah, there'd be some folks out there who think that you should not be putting that in your films, like you shouldn't film it, And the only grounds they could come up with for why you should not be coughing or sneezing or burping in films, they either be an upload, a live stream, short, or a podcast, is they think that it will, give trolls or haters something to work with. But these folks will make fun of you, they'll shame you and guilt you anyway. No need what you do, what you don't do. And there really isn't an oversight on URO that says talks about that. And sadly it happens. Alright? You have little no run or lead to it. Now I guess you could hold it in, but it's going to come out sooner or later. And who knows why we do it. But everyone has their beliefs. Too much dust. If that was true, then we would be doing it all the time. Not only when we're making a film. It only seems to happen mostly when we're making films, and the other times it doesn't. And we're not frightened of making a film. We're not frightened of working in lead of folks. There are folks who are shy and frightened of that. That's not us. That's not Dwayne, though. For whatever ground's sake or why it happens. Now, someone might think that you should drink something before you make the film. And yes, sometimes we do that, and it doesn't really help. And if someone out there thinks, you shouldn't be putting that in your films, that will give your haters something to work with, well, fuck. something to work with. Well, sadly, it is what it is. There isn't really much one can do about that. And as you know, we don't go around cutting or skimming or shifting or cleaning anything of our film, so it is what it is. In the past, it used to be sneezing. Before that, it was cough. And before that, it was burping. Now it's more like coughing or whatever. And why we do it, no one really seems to know. We don't know. Everyone's got their own beliefs over why it's done or why it's going on, but they don't know. So they're just going to make some guesses. Well, looks like, see, it just happened again. Alright. Can I end this now? Right. Right, Sailor Saturn, Sailor Ring World. Alright. If you like this film, leave a thought below about, do you sometimes cough or burp or sneeze in your films? And if you do, why do you think you do it? And that's it. I, Sailor Pluto, Sailor Underworld, Trista, and I, Sailor Saturn, Sailor Ring Ruler Taru, and I'll see you later.